The CityFlee Cat Feeder CF-2 is designed to accommodate the needs of multiple cats, with its ability to schedule up to 6 meals a day, ensuring your pets are well fed even when you're not home. With adjustable heights and dual bowls, this feeder reduces strain on your cat's necks and joints, allowing for comfortable and stress-free mealtimes for 2 cats simultaneously. The dual power supply feature, which includes both an adapter and battery backup, ensures that the feeder remains operational during power outages, providing peace of mind. Its 5-liter capacity can hold enough food for 2 adult cats for up to 15 days, making it ideal for short trips, while the transparent tank allows for easy monitoring of food levels. The feeder is constructed with BPA-free materials and includes removable stainless steel bowls, which makes it easy to clean and maintain for hygienic feeding. The CityFlee Cat Feeder CF-2 is user-friendly with a straightforward setup process, and it offers the convenience of a customizable meal call to strengthen your bond with your pets.